A pleasant day, everyone. My name is Maya Dali. So now I'll be going to discuss the introduction of our study. Nowadays, learners are having lack of vocabulary which affects their speaking ability due to someone's presence. There are studies which consistently suggested that there is a substantial relationship between speaking ability and vocabulary. Noro and Shimamoto 2003 page 141 states that there have few studies which analyze the degree of vocabulary knowledge affects speaking ability. Speaking ability is required by people to communicate and understand each other. During speaking ability, many students have to face their fear in speaking. There are factors that may affect students' speaking ability. First is personal factor. Every student has their own experience and fear. This factor shows the weaknesses of students in speaking. It possibly affects their speaking ability by their physical appearance or traumatic experience. Second is teacher factor. Teachers should teach students and keep them from learning. But some teachers became the hindrance in expressing and developing the students' ability to speak. And lastly is subject factor. This factor shows the topic, problem, or reason of a subject which affects speaking ability. Students easily learns and get the topic if he or she can relate to the topic being discussed. Also, some topics in a subject are sensitive, which affects the students who are not able to express what they want.
A pleasant day, everyone. My name is Miraj Hamaon. So now, I'll be going to discuss the statement of the problem. This study aimed to find out the factors affecting speaking ability of grade 11 senior high school students of STA College, Cotabato. Also, this study sought answer to the following question. Number 1. What is the profile of students in terms of A. Sex, B. Strand? Number 2. What are the factors affecting speaking ability of grade 11 senior high school students in STA College, Cotabato? A. Personal factor, B. Subject factor, C. Teacher factor. Our study aimed to find the problem that will affect the speaking ability of the students, specifically the grade 11 senior high school of STA College, Cotabato. It also helped the students to help them improve their speaking ability and to find what problem affect their speaking ability.
Good morning, everyone. I am Soraini Tilatun. So now let's proceed to the significance of this study. The importance of this study is to show the challenger of student is speaking ability. The reason behind this study shows optimism to find out what aspect the student face that might affect their speaking ability, and for the teachers to find out where they should focus. The following are the beneficiaries of our study. The first one is the students. They can benefit by having opportunity to tell trials they face that might affect their speaking ability. Aside from, they discover new knowledge and this study can boost their self-esteem and learn more effectively. The second one is the teachers. They can benefit from this study by knowing immediately what are the difficulties of students faced for years and where should they focus in teaching students. The third one is the future researchers. It will serve as a reference for the researchers to conduct, propose similar but in-depth study. The fourth one is the parents. Parents need to learn to speak so that if they talk to another professional or foreigners, they already have idea in communicating. The last one is the researchers. By doing this study, they already got new knowledge and ideas about reason that affects speaking ability. They will also improve their ability, strategy, and knowledge when it comes to speaking.
Good day, I am Maysiti ICU Ara. In this video, I'm going to talk about our definition of terms. Our definition of term includes the speaking ability, the subject factor, teacher factor, personal factor, student's ability, and lastly, the listening factor. The first one is speaking ability. Speaking ability is a way to communicate with others. It is very important for us to express our thoughts or send our message to the person who we're about to talk to. The second one is the subject factor. Subject factor may affect our speaking ability due to many reasons that we find to the subject, and we turn into a situation that we might find it uninterested and will keep us to stay silent. The third one is the teacher factor. Teacher factor also affect the speaking ability of the students. The student will become sensitive due to the topic of the teacher and also the behavior of the teacher she will show to the students. The fourth one is the personal factor. Personal factor refers to the personal reasons of the students. When the students have a personal problem, like family problem about themselves, and disability, they will lose confidence to communicate with others, and they will be uninterested to learn and improve their speaking ability. And lastly is the listening factor. Listening factor is an important method to improve our speaking ability. In this way, we will be comfortable to speak in front of others or many audience due to listen carefully to our teachers. And we know what we're about to say if the teacher will ask a question. And those what we came up with in our definition of terms.
Good afternoon. My name is Taishira May K. Usman, and I will discuss the theoretical frameworks. Factors affecting speaking ability of grade 11 senior high school student of STI College Cotabato. Speaking ability is the capacity of sending message between the speaker and listener. In other words, speaking ability shows its strengths and weakness of an individual that might affect their speaking ability. Chris Candlin, 1990, says that taking is a major and one of the most difficult tasks comforting a teacher. So, according to Marifa 2014, EFL learners' speaking ability is affected by some recent knowledge with some linguistic components. Inline foreign language requires that knowing its grammatical and semantic rules. And according to Chuck Richard, 2002, the ability to speak a second language well is a very complex task. Nirmawati, 2015, page 2, states that speaking is a productive ability of language learning. And these studies discuss the difficult or hardship that may affect speaking ability of grade 11 senior high school of STI College Cotabato, and the efforts that they made to overcome what makes them challenged or bring them hardship, which might affect their speaking ability from both observation and interview. This study shows that all students are facing difficult and trials that may affect their speaking ability. The main reason why a student speaking is being affected is having lack of vocabulary. Most learners feel scared of making mistakes, also having lack of vocabulary and lack of influency, which prohibit them.
A pleasant day, everyone. My name is Sambay Malang from the UMS 21A, and I will be going to discuss the respondents of the study. The respondents of this study are the grade 11 senior high school student of STI College Cotabato who are officially enrolled for the school year 2020-2021. The respondents are randomly selected from each strand, composed of how many will be given a survey questionnaire. Example, composed of 10 students by strand. The what method will be used in the study with the help information about the factors that improving their ability in speaking in English through answering a survey questionnaire.
Have a nice day to listen, everyone. My name is Satul Aldebar Edinayan. Now I'm going to introduce the results finding of our study. Let me show you how to solve each table. Let's begin.
Table 1. Profile of the respondents in terms of sex and strand. Table 1 shows that in sex category, there are 101 male and 113 female respondents. Among the 4 strand, UMS has the highest frequency of 110, followed by STEM with 61 frequency, and ABM has the least number of frequency with 20 respondents. Now, this is the solution to get the percentage of sex and strand. In male category has 101 respondents, Male frequency 101 divided by total of respondents 214 times given number 100 is equal 47%. Table 2. Mean of the personal factor. Each question has 4 choices. Number 1, strongly disagree. Number 2, disagree. Number 3, agree. Number 4, strongly agree. Statement number 2, you are lacking of confidence because of shyness or physical appearance. In number 2, the mean is 2.91. So before we got 2.91, we look at the result, how many respondents answered. Number 1, strongly disagree has 10 respondents out of 214, and disagree has 41 respondents, and agree has 121 respondents, and strongly agree has 42 respondents. The total is 214. After that, you need to multiply the number 1 to times 1, and number 2 to times 2, and number 3 to times 3, and number 4 to times 4, so that 10 plus 82 plus 363 plus 168 is equal 623. 623 divided by 214 is equal 2.91.
Now, table 3 to 4, the same process of solving in table 2. And that's all. Thank you.
Good afternoon to each and everyone. I am Dana Eskak, so I'm here to discuss the limitations of the study. Study only focused on the factors affecting the speaking ability of grade 11 senior high school students of STI College Cotabato. Speaking seems to be the most important skills of all the 4 skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing, because people who know a language are usually referred to as speakers of the language. This study, which was to describe and understand the source of senior high school students of STI College Cotabato. The researchers provided only and limited the questions into 3 factors that can affect the student's speaking ability. And there are more factors that are not mentioned or covered in this study. The result of the study will benefit the school learning, engagement in speaking ability of grade 11 senior high school students of STI College Cotabato. The people who can relate on this study, the upcoming senior high school student and the current senior high school student, the grade 11 UMS, STEMS, ABM, and GAS of STI College Cotabato, were the respondents of this study for the school year 2020-2021.
A pleasant day, everyone. My name is Myra Dali. So now, let's proceed to the implication. Based on the results, lacking of confidence because of shyness or physical appearance, lacking of attention and afraid of speaking because of embarrassment or trauma when you were just a kid are a good example of personal factor that affecting the speaking ability of grade 11 senior high school students of STI College Cotabato. This is mainly because the students have deeper reasons why they are not often speaking that leads them to have a low speaking esteem, because it is covered by their insecurities and trauma, and also because of being mentally occupied, which leads them to lack of attention. And the implication will be bad in speaking because the fact will never change, and they should just adjust to improve their speaking ability. And they cannot respond well because they are mentally occupied, and they are not functioning well when it comes to speaking because they are being affected by their personal reasons.
My name is Ryan Eldarat from UMS 21A. Recommendation. Recommendation based on the findings and conclusion. The following recommendations were formulated by researchers. A. For possible courses of actions. For students to be good speaker. The following can be possible actions. Number 1. The students must read willing to learn. and ready to encounter new and unfamiliar words. Number 2, students must accept themselves first and learn how to communicate with others to be able to speak and express themselves in front of group of people or audience. Number 3, students must practice with a friend to gain confidence in speaking. They should learn together some specific knowledge, improve their speaking ability. Think about that you are just standing in front of an audience with a confidence to express your thoughts. Letter B. Recommendation for further study. There are possible studies inclined in your study, and they are the following. Number 1. Level of challenges in speaking capacity of senior high school students of STI Cotabato College, STI College Cotabato. Number 2. Level of awareness in speaking of senior high school college Cotabato. Number 3. Factors affecting the interpersonal relationship of senior students of senior high school students of STI College Cotabato. That's all. Thank you.